Welcome candidates. In this video, we are going to let you understand how to access self-learning material from Hackveda one-to-one, how to get certified from Hackveda's platform, how to apply for paid internships, and how to get interviews for placement. Hackveda offers you workforce development services where you can learn with our expert industrial mentors or in self-learning mode through Hackveda one-to-one. Hackveda offers two categories of courses. The advanced courses which we offer are professional courses, which are industry-oriented courses for placement. Also, we offer fundamental courses on various technologies as listed on screen. Suppose you want to get started with a course on Hackveda, so you have to click on the course. In the self-learning mode, we provide multiple courses which you can learn with Hackveda one-to-one. Now, in order to access the self-learning material and get certified, you have to click on the course. Once you click on the course, you have to you can learn with Hackveda's platform in three formats: in the self-learning mentor support mode, in instructor-led online classroom mode, and in instructor-led corporate classroom mode. These three are paid courses. We also offer free self-learning courses for candidates. To access the free self-learning material, you have to click on Get Started Free. Once you click on Get Started Free, you have to make your registration on Hackveda's website. Once you register for Hackveda's website by specifying your full name, your email ID, and your mobile number, make sure your full name is correct because the name will be reflected on your certificates, internship letters, which you are going to get from Hackveda. Also, you can specify your correct email ID because your accounts will be created with this email ID. And you have to specify your correct mobile number because OTP verification and various other identification is done through mobile phones also. So you can specify your number. So that is my number. Once you register for a course on Hackveda's platform, you're going to get your registration done, and you will be on successful completion of your registration, you will be redirected to Hackveda login page. Now, to get Hackveda's login password, you will receive an email within 5 minutes from Hackveda on your email ID. Using that password, you can log into Hackveda one-to-one account. Once you receive an email, you will receive a registration confirmation email in this format from Hackveda Limited account, from director@Hackveda Limited. You can quickly click on that email. The email states that your registration is successful and a password has been provided. And using this password, you can log into your Hackveda one-to-one account. Now, once you log into your Hackveda one-to-one account, you will get access to the self-learning material which you have to learn in order to learn the skill and to get certified. So I'm using this email and password in order to log into my Hackveda one-to-one account. And since I have registered for machine learning course, I'm going to get relevant courses for machine learning on my platform. This happens similarly with other courses available on Hackveda one-to-one platform or hackveda.in website. Now, in order to complete these courses, there are various topics which I need to cover. So how can we get started with covering these topics? You can click on the course, and once you click on any of these courses, you will get a sequence of video series in order to learn on Hackveda one-to-one platform. Now, when you will be learning using the videos available on Hackveda's one-to-one platform in sequence, you have to learn from left to right, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the sequence. You have to learn these videos. The resources which we use in these videos are available on a Trello account. This Trello account, our backend team creates for the candidates, where you can track your progress, where we can also understand what is the course progress, how many topics have you learned, what all topics you have learned, and your submissions, and then we can help you with the certification process. In order to create your Trello account, once we are done creating your Trello account, we send an email from Trello so that you can join the board. So once we are done creating your board, you will get an email specifying that Devanshu Shukla has invited you to join the board. Now this board name will change depending on the team in which you are selected. So currently I am selected for self-learning course W1B1 team, which means workshop workspace 1 board 1. So your team name would be different, might be different, and you will get to know in which team you are added. So once you click on this email, you will get an option to go to the board. So once you click on go to board, you will get to see the board where we have maintained your card. In this Trello card, all your tracking will be done. This is the medium with which you will be communicating with Hackveda. So what you have to do, suppose within your team's board, there will be multiple cards. There may be approximately 20 to 25 cards per board. And each card belongs to an intern or a self-learning trainee. Now you have to select or find out your own card. You will be able to access the information and you will be able to update any information on your card once you join the board. So you have to click on join board option. Once you click on join board, this is a one-time attempt where you can either create a new account. This will be a different account from Trello. So you can also continue with Google and sign in. Also, you can create your account on Trello also. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, and I'm going to use my same email ID dshackveda@gmail.com to log into Trello. So once I do it, you can see that an account has been created and I'm going to get this message, welcome to Trello. This means now I have access to Trello and I am invited as a participant for my team on this board. And now what I have to do is you have to find out your name and your email ID, and that will be your card where your tracking information will be maintained. So once you click on your card, so here you are going to get access to your Hackveda one-to-one login details where you have the self-learning material for access. And this is the Hackveda one-to-one account, which I have already told you. You will be able to see all your courses here. Along with that, the certificates which we might be allotting you digitally, you will get access to all your certificates in the My Certificates section once the certificates are allotted. Also, here is the complete joining process. Now you might have a question that when the certificates are going to be allotted. So the certificate allotment will be done post your demo presentation. And how will you be able to do that? So first of all, you have to follow the first checklist, which is the joining process checklist. In this, you have to specify your career goals. You have to upload your updated resume, and you have to specify your preferred learning or available time on which time you will be learning on Hackveda one-to-one. Okay. So, and then you will get access to self-learning resource allotment. So self-learning resource allotment is done on your Hackveda's account. You can access all your information in the course dashboard, and you can access all the topics video by video. So what you have to do, you can click on any of your course and you can play the first video step by step, and you can start learning from that video. about the concepts which have been taught. So here, all the concepts which we have taught in these video series are practical concepts which is required for your professional internship. We have developed a lot of projects in it, which will be highly useful for you in order to complete your paid internship. So you have to watch your classes in sequence, the self-learning material. Coming to the next point, and you have to specify these options. So where will you specify all this information? At the end of each card, you have an activity section where you have to specify the information. So let's say if you have to specify your career goal, so I will say I would like to become a machine learning engineer. That is my overall objective, and my resume. So suppose you have to upload your resume here. Here is an attachment option where you can add an attachment. You can click here, and I'm going to upload my resume here. Devanshu Shukla, brief profile. So you can also have your resume in your specific format. Now, once you are done uploading your resume, you have to specify your preferred learning time. So I'll say, suppose my preferred learning time is from, I am available, let's say from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So depending on your available slot, you can define your preferred learning time so that we have that information. And how you have to specify that, you have to tag your project manager, which is me, Devanshu Shukla. You have to tag me so that I get the notification that you have updated this information, and you have to click on save. Now, once you do this, I will be able to access your information that yes, you have updated your information and you have started learning on Hackveda one-to-one. Now, what next you're going to do? You're going to specify, once you are done with the checklist, you have to mark that your onboarding is done. Also, you have to download the Trello mobile application. This will help you get instant notifications from us, whatever notifications we are sharing, the latest information which we are sharing. So you have to download the Trello mobile app. Also, once you are done, you have to click on verify successful onboarding, and now you have to get started with your training. Now, within your training, here is your completion status checklist. In the completion status checklist, we have all the listed courses which are credited to you depending on your registration. So if you have registered for a course, all the associated courses have been added. If you have registered for a professional course, then all the courses which are required for that position will be credited into your account. So accordingly, you have to get started one by one and complete your courses. In case if you have any confusions in understanding which course to start with, what you can do is you can quickly tag me with @Devanshu Shukla, and you can ask me, please let me know the sequence of course to cover as per my career goal. So like that, okay? Or internship role. So depending on your career goal or internship role, in case if you are not clear with which course to start with, you can quickly ask me and I can help you with that. So I will be able to comment on your card and I'll let you know how you can access your information. Now coming to the next point, once you are done with that, so you have to, suppose you started with data science analysis and machine learning. So here you have a list of topics which you need to cover in data science analysis and machine learning. So this will start with introduction to machine learning, data analysis, using data science studio, data pre-processing. So these are the topics which are available in sequence on your Hackveda one-to-one account. Introduction to machine learning, data analysis using data science studio, data pre-processing, comparative analysis of ML model. So let's say, for example, if I'm done with all these 4 courses, all these 4 topics, so what I'll do, I will mark these topics as complete, okay? So this is how we are going to track how many topics you have covered. So once you are done completion of each topic within the course, step by step, okay, depending on your responsibility or your career goal. Suppose I'm done with learning all the course requirements and my course is 100% complete. So I'm going to mark here that data science analysis and machine learning courses done. So similarly, you have to complete all the courses which are available in your account, as well as in case if you don't want to cover any of the courses which might not be relevant to the position, you can speak to me and you can ask for the counseling, so we can help you with that. So in order to do that, you can tag me again and you can specify, please let me know which courses should I cover in sequence as per my career goal and internship role. Okay, so you can ask for help anytime with me at Devanshu Shukla, because I am your manager for this self-learning course. So once we are done with this, once you are done with completion of all the courses and your completion status is 100%, then you're going to mark the training completion. Once you're done with training completion, then we are going to schedule the demo presentation with you. And in the demo presentation, we are going to give you one topic for presentation. And on successful presentation of that topic in a live meeting with multiple audience in it, we are going to allot the certificates for you. What kind of certificates you're going to get? You're going to get certificates, digital certificates from Hackveda in your Hackveda one-to-one account, as well as you're going to get a letter of completion of your training along with the certificate. So here is the kind of certificate which you are going to get from Hackveda in a Hackveda letterhead format, which is an authentic certificate from Hackveda, where we are going to specify your training duration and each and every information, along with the signature and the stamp. Okay, so on your certificates, you're going to get your certificate, stamp, and everything. And then you will be able to get started with interview preparation for internships. And you can also apply as an intern with us as a paid intern. So once you become a paid intern with us, you have to log into your Hackveda's account. So once you're done logging with your Hackveda account, you will be doing a 6-week to 6-month internship with us. And in this internship, first we are going to get your interview done. So I'm going to specify here, internship interview will be conducted. And post completion and selection of your internship interview, you will be able to apply on selected candidate information form. In the selected candidate information form, you're going to specify your name, email, and mobile number, along with the responsibility or the department in which you want to become an intern. Then you have to specify your current city, your address, your address proof, your updated resume, and a non-disclosure agreement. And then you have to submit this. So on this, you will be selected as an intern. We will get your verification done of NDA, and we're going to provide you internship roles and responsibilities. And first 4 to 6 weeks is always a probation period for the first time intern, and it is a non-paid probation period. People post completion of this probation period get paid internships, where paid internships have different stipends. In general, as of now, till date, we are providing internship stipends from 5,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. And regular performance monitoring will be done for this internship. Your regular scoring will be done. Once your internship period of up to 6 months is over, you can reapply for paid internship, where you get a minimum internship of 10,000 rupees per month for another 6 months, which ranges up to 25,000 rupees. And once your internship duration is completed, we are going to recover the confidential information which we have given you. We are going to complete your exit process. We are going to give you relieving letters and experience letters, and you are ready to work in any other organization as well as you will get placement interviews with Hackveda workforce development and hiring partners. So this is the overall process of learning on Hackveda one-to-one platform. In case if you have any more questions, feel free, post login on your Trello. You can ask your questions here and you can tag me and you can post your queries here. So this is how you will be able to post your queries and we can help you out with your questions and answers. In the meantime, if you have any other issues, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp on 9654-825-370. That is our official WhatsApp number, 9654-825-370. As well as you can visit hackveda.in and talk to mentor option. So on the website, in order to help you out with your queries, with your questions, you can always reach out to hackveda.in and click on talk to mentor option available at the right bottom here. You can click on it. You can specify your name, email, phone number, and your question, and you can start chat with us. Also, for sales queries, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much for watching.